How to turn on or turn off attention aware features on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we then scroll down and tap on Face ID and passcode. Next, put in your phone passcode. And then we scroll down and tap on Attention Aware Features. Tap on the toggle button to turn off or switch on Attention Aware Features. And here's the iPhone will check for attention before dimming the display, expanding a notification when locked, or lowering the volume for some alerts. So with these features, you may notice that when you have an incoming call, your phone volume or the sound, the ringing sound will immediately lower when you are looking at the phone. And that's it. So that is the attention aware features. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.